Hello, we're MovinsEdition. Puma Trinomic BOG is a new product owned by MovinsEdition. It's a blaze of glory sock core black product. It's a product with Puma's Trinomic technology from the 1990s, and it's an item with sock liner technology that wraps your ankle like a sock in Puma's iconic running shoe. Blaze of glory. This version features a new sock-like construction for a snug fit and cleaner vamp over its Trinomic tooling. Midsole featuring throwback Puma Trinomic technology, rubber cells that collapse and rebound for cushioning, stability, and motion control. The modern, stripped-back iteration of Puma's Blaze of Glory runner, the BOG sock core, has been revisited to produce two simple new colorways. Both the easy-wearing all-black and the dirt-fearing all-white have a lightweight build and a casual style. Each comprises of a suede toe and a neoprene heel, which has been wrapped with a thick elastic strap to provide stability and hold the back of the foot in place.